Okay, let's see, try to solve this question. Right now here, I will show you, every single step, but you don't need to write all the step. You can do it quickly without some step, right? But I will show you one by one what will happen here. Now here, first of all, you can solve this thing, right? This one, because indices rule. If you have same base, now here base is x, here also base is x, same base, no, and between them we have multiplication. That means you can add these two index. This index you can add. So you can write x to the power 5, right? 2 plus 3 is 5. And then here also you can do something, but the square root mean has the index, you can write half, right? You need to remember square root mean index is half, right? Okay, now here x to the power a. Okay, then we have learned what the, you can bring this one to up like this, what the x to the power 5 multiplication. This one when I bring to here, what will happen? This index will become minus, half will become minus half, right? Try to understand. Now here already in numerator, in top, there was x to the power 5, x to the power 5 into, this is x to the power half, no, plus half. When I bring it up, it will be x to the power minus half. This is plus half, it become minus half. Then here equal x to the power a. Okay, now what we can do, like we did earlier, we can add these two index together, right? Okay, I will do it here. Now we have to add 5 plus minus half. That's the idea, no? We need to add these two, right? And when you have like this way situation, plus into minus, bracket, inside the bracket I wrote this minus value, so plus into minus, it will become minus, so minus half. 5 minus half, or it will be 4 and half. But if you can't think that, just with the calculator you can do like this, make the same denominator, here multiply by 2, here also multiply by 2, then here will be 10, here 2 half, then here same denominator, now 2, 10 minus 1 mean 9 divided by 2 mean 4.5, or 4 and half. So you can write here x to the power, when you add these two together, it will be 4.5, or someone can write 4 and half as a mixed number. Then or just 9 over 2, then equal to x to the power a. Now you can see here, this is same base, x, and they put here equal sign. That means definitely this must be equal to this. So you can write what the a equal, what the 4.5. That's the answer for a.